Welcome back to the ATV channel, and on today's video we're going to be showing you the hidden menu on the E38, and this works on the E39s as well. We're going to be showing you a couple of examples of what the hidden menu can show, and then we're going to give you a full list of all of the things that you can see within this hidden menu, and that will be in the description below of this video. So let's get right into it. Within your cluster there is a hidden menu which shows loads of different functions and shows you lots of bits of information. Now I'm going to show you in this video how to get to that hidden menu. I'm going to show you two very cool hidden features that you can see within this hidden menu, and in the description below I'm going to put a full list of all of the things that you can access. Firstly, I'd just like to apologize that my pixels have failed, so it's not showing a very clear display here. However, I'm going to do the best that I can to show you what it is showing. So the first thing you do is put your ignition on, and then you hold down this right button until test appears in the center here. Once test appears, you then press the right button once, and then a number is displayed. Now here you have to add up the last 5 digits on the end here, which will basically give you a code to unlock the hidden menu. So in my case, my last 5 digits, I know it's hard to see, but mine's add up to 32. Whatever yours are, take a mental note of that, and we're going to use it in a moment. So once you've got your number that is added up, you press the right button, and then we scroll to test 19. So I'm just going to zoom in here for you guys so you can see it. So we're going to go to test 19. Once you're at test 19, you press the left button once, and then it says lock. You press it again, and then it displays a number 00. So here we use the left button to input the number that you've added up. So in my case, I'm going to scroll using this left button to 32. Again, sorry that it's hard to see. Input your number. Once you've inputted the number, press the right button once, and this unlocks the menu. Once it's unlocked, you have a bunch of functions within the hidden menu that you can see. I'm going to show you 2 examples of some really cool ones. So the first one that we're going to go to is test 6. Now this shows you how much fuel is in your left component of your tank, the right component of your tank, and also a total value as well. So go to test 6, press the left button once, and this will display how much fuel you have in your tanks. So as you know, on an E38 there is one fuel tank, but it's separated into 2 parts. So in my case, the left tank is showing 0, so there's no fuel in the left tank. In the center tank, let's see if we can have a look here, there is, I believe, 11.5 liters, and in total there is 11.5 liters, so that makes sense. 0 on the left, 11.5 on the right, 11.5 in total. So there you go, that's how you get total, well, left, right and total figures of how much fuel is in your tank. Right, the next function I want to show you is going back one. So we go to test. We're going to go to test 9. So I'm going to scroll. We're on 7 at the minute. I'm going to scroll 2 more. Test 9. And then you press the left button once to confirm it. And this shows battery voltage. At the minute, the battery voltage in this car is very low. It's showing 9.3 volts. However, if I start it up, hopefully if it does start up, no, it's not got enough power at the minute, but once it's started up, it should show up to 14 volts to say that your battery is charging, and it will show your static battery as well with the car off, so it should be showing just above 12 volts. So these are 2 examples of the features that you can see in this hidden menu. However, I'm going to put a full list that I mentioned before in the description below for you guys to use, and hopefully you find it useful. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.